and under heavy loads, extreme terrain, and raw operator skill. This is heavy transport at its finest. From dizzying slopes to suffocating narrows, every move showcases the power, grit, and precision of modern machinery. And then it happened. On September 23, 2016, l9i saw the impossible. A Tu-154 aircraft, once carrying Czech Olympians, was hauled by truck from airport to town. With heavy loads, it relies on powerful torque and high-capacity axles. Built for balance and control, it conquers rough terrain with confidence, setting the standard for modern long-haul efficiency. Now this is where experience takes the wheel. Every axle gets tested. Every curve becomes a test of balance. Watching this crew perform under pressure is pure respect. But this might just be the toughest delivery yet. Tight turns, rough terrain, and 48 hours of non-stop pressure push man and machine to their limits. But driving a Scania R620 while towing a Pacina hydroelectric generator through tight tunnels? That's pure adrenaline. With every inch mapped and every corner a challenge, this truck proves that raw power and surgical control can work in perfect sync under pressure. Look flat. Next up, a beast of a truck built to handle 50 pigs across 2 floors with its 180 horsepower engine. Designed for safe and efficient livestock transport, this machine ensures smooth delivery to markets and export hubs. With power and precision, these trucks make moving cattle look effortless. Then you meet the monster, a 320,000-pound giant. Hauling a 300 means disaster. This is a fight between gravity and genius. deep in the... Imagine this. You're about to unload, everything is set, but wait. The back door of the truck is still closed. Now it's too late to fix it. Oops. And when forestry gets rough, the LKT-81 shows up unfazed. Then came the rescue mission. When the Case Puma 165 CVX got stuck deep, it took 3 machines to pull it free. Together, the X720, TM155, and Agropharma 100 unleashed a combined 975 horsepower. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And when 140 tons roll onto an old trailer, you feel it in your bones. With a Hofer THP SLSL and a Mighty Man TGX 680, this combo proves that oversized doesn't mean unmanageable, just precision, planning, and powerful hydraulics. The Kirovets K700, one of the toughest tractors, faced thick mud and deep snow while pulling hay. Even the crew can't believe what just happened because in heavy haulage, anything can roll out of control. Suddenly, the wheel breaks free and rolls sideways. Was it the rim? A fracture? After the loud pop, it takes off like a rogue cannonball. But some days are rough, and this car's day is worse. Flattened under a press with zero mercy, it turns into a pancake in seconds. Strangely satisfying, strangely useful, because every crushed car makes room for smarter, cleaner metal reuse. Then the CPS 630 by Jaas crushes. Then the VTN CI 13000 shear slices through entire trucks in seconds. With 1,900 tons of cutting pressure, it transforms scrap into ready-to-recycle bites. No fire, no fuss. Just clean energy for greener production. From Horsted canes, the crew powers through like pros. Slippery conditions, wet curves, and still pure festive magic. Now that's Christmas with horsepower. Enjoyed the ride? Give us a like, subscribe to the Gearbox, and drop a comment with your favorite moment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where machines do the impossible.